Unraveling the sounds. Mic up the drum kit. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of music and language. We'll explore what it means to mic up the drum kit. This phrase is not just about placing a microphone somewhere. It's about preparing a drum kit to be heard at its best, whether in a live performance or a recording session. So, let's get started and demystify this phrase together. Mic up is a short way of saying microphone up. It involves the process of placing microphones in specific positions to capture the sound of an instrument, in this case, a drum kit. This is crucial in music production and live performances to ensure that the sound of the drum kit is projected clearly and distinctly. Before we go further, it's important to understand what makes up a drum kit. A typical drum kit includes a snare drum, bass drum, toms, and cymbals. Each piece contributes to the overall sound of the kit and requires careful mic placement to capture its unique tone. Mic placement is an art. For a drum kit, this might involve bass drum, placing a mic inside the drum to capture the depth and punch. Snare drum, a mic positioned near the top head to catch the crack and sizzle, and sometimes another beneath for the snare wires. Toms, individual mics may be placed above each tom to capture their resonant tones. Cymbals, overhead mics or cymbal-specific mics capture the shimmering sounds. Each placement affects how the drum kit sounds in the mix, highlighting the importance of the phrase, mic up the drum kit. Mic up the drum kit does more than just amplify sound. It shapes the listener's experience. By choosing how and where to place mics, sound engineers and musicians can emphasize certain aspects of the drum's sound, from the deep boom of the bass drum to the sharp snap of the snare. This section can delve into the creative choices behind mic placement and how it influences the final sound of music. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, mic up the drum kit. It's a fascinating process that combines technology, music, and creativity to bring the best out of a drum kit. Whether you're a musician, an English language learner, or just curious, I hope this video has shed light on the intricate dance between instruments and microphones. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.